Okay, for this problem, they want us to combine like terms, right? So it says right here, we should combine like terms, and it says use drawing or sketches or algebra tiles if you want. I'm gonna do it without. I'm gonna zoom in here, right, so that I can do the problems right on here. Now, I find it useful to underline or annotate somehow to find the like terms. So remember, like terms means it has the same variable or variables. The variables raised to the same power, right? Or they're both constants. So let's start with A. I have a 2x and a 3x and a 1x, right? X is 1x. So 2 plus 3 plus 1, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6, is 6x's, right? Okay, now I have a 4x squared, right? A positive 4x squared. And that's plus 4x squared. It's the only one. And then I have a 3 and a 10. That's plus 13. And I have simplified that. Okay, let's do B. For B, I have a 4x. I have a 1x, right? There's a hidden imaginary 1 there. And I have a 3x. So 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8x, right? 8x. And then I have a 4y squared, a 1y squared, and that's it. That's 4 and 1 is 5y squared. And then I have a 9 and a 10, which is 19, right? Okay, for C, I have 2x squared. I have a plus 3x squared. I have plus 4x squared. That's all my x squareds. So I have 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9x squared. Then I see this lone x over there. I'm going to take that, plus x. And then I have plus 30, plus 14. That's 30 plus 14 is 44. Okay, for now, it doesn't matter the order you write these terms. If you wrote 9x squared plus 44 plus x, that's fine. We didn't learn about how to order terms yet with degree, so it's fine any order. And for D, let's see, I'm going to have take the 20 and the 10 and get 30. And then I have 5xy and 1xy, right? There's that imaginary 1 there. 5 and 1 is 6xy. And then I have 4y squared plus imaginary, this 1y squared. 4 and 1 is 5y squared. And again, order of these terms does not matter at this point.